All right, what we're doing here is we're going to repair this delaminated sidewall on this motorhome. You can see that water intrusion was up there where the big light was, and this area in here is now delaminated. To give you an idea how much delamination we've got, this of course wall should be flat. As you can see, it's not. We can get this paint stirrer in each end, so we've got a hump there. And over on this side we have a larger area, and again the water intrusion came from a light fixture on this side, and it came down under this window, and we have a much larger area here. As you can see, we have a larger bubble, if you will. So the way we'll get to this one is we're going to take the window out here and we'll introduce the material down in there. To do this repair and to get this sidewall to re-adhere, we're going to use a low viscosity epoxy mix that will run down all the way down to the bottom. It's very thin material, and we're going to inject it in through this hole where the light was with this syringe, and we'll inject it into there, and then we're going to press against it to hold it in place till over probably 24 to 36 hours to let the epoxy set up. Okay, we're going to use, as I said, this syringe and tube to inject the low viscosity epoxy in behind the things. Then we'll take this sheet of plywood, and we've got this foam stuff on the side to protect the side of the motorhome. We'll put that against the motorhome, and then put these rods between the board and the building to hold pressure on it. You can get these at Harbor Freight for about $14. They come 4 feet long. They're made for the back of a pickup truck, but you can cut them off and cut them to the size you need them to fit your building. Okay. Now we'll do the repair. All right, we're injecting the epoxy in behind the raised fiberglass panel that's delaminated from the side. Well, I'm going to need to leave it in there a minute and let it run down. All right, we're going to put pressure on the, all right, can you hold the board for me? I get this in. We're going to put pressure on it until it cures. All right, we need to